When my parents built a new house at Srinagar, they also planted saplings of various fruit trees along the boundaries of its compound. They had hoped that sometime in the future, our children, grandchildren, and we all would reap its fruit. The fruit we reaped instead are years of continued exile from our own home, because we believed India is our country. I am going back to my home in Kashmir after 11 years. I want to find out if it is possible to break the walls of mistrust and of hate we built in a once beautiful valley. That was Kashmir. At first sight, the view of the valley of Kashmir conveys an impression of normalcy and peace. But that impression is soon shattered by a sudden burst of gunfire. My confrontation with fear has started from the exact moment when I stepped into the valley. My first stop is the office where my father worked before he was asked to pack up and leave. Mr. Sophie, my father's old colleague, has been our only contact with Kashmir since we left. I check into a hotel. On the first night of my arrival, I learned that there has been another minority massacre a few days back. JKLF was the militant organization which first started the killings way back in 1989. Kashmiri Pandits had not known fear and betrayal till then.
मतलब 10 साल पहले यहाँ कैसे हालात नहीं बार बार आप पूछ रहे इस बात को
मेरे ख्याल है
नहीं 10 साल पहले कुछ मसला है चुना दावेर प्रोड के है के भाई और 10 साल पहले तो आप कहाँ यहाँ से
अभी आपको आना नहीं चाहिए था you should have waited.
The Sikh friend of mine does not want to meet me. 5 of his neighbors have been killed a few days back, and he is afraid.
नहीं फिर देखते हैं one has to take a risk sometime.
I had to take a risk to really understand and face up to fear. The fear and apprehension I feel for my unit, my Sikh friend, and for myself now is the same kind of fear that drove us out then. It is this fear that had kept me away so long. I am back to unravel the sinister workings of fear that drove us out. I do not know what exactly I'll be looking for or what I'll find. At an unearthly hour, I land up at the local newspaper office to dig up the genesis of that fear. Namtuka? Namtuka story never. How could I say? I'm trying to actually look for the papers which tell us something about those days, in 89 and 90 when the movement started. This is only one among thousands of such appeals that used to appear in papers every day in the initial years of militancy. Not all Kashmiris supported the freedom fighters then, but they really had no choice but to obey, since even the elected government of the day had already capitulated.
वो मुजाहिद भाइयों से गलत इतला फराहम करते हैं हम इस मामले में इंसाफ और मुदाखलत चाहते हैं रमज़ान नमक
क्या कार्टून क्या
शहर में मजबूत और हालात पुरसुकून अलबत्ता ताहम मगर लेकिन
The incident of the Rubiya Sayyid kidnapping was the crucial turning point in the brief and bloody chapter of local militancy.
वज़ीर दाखिला की बेटी को यरगमालियों से छुड़ाने की कोशिश
The capitulation of the state authority legitimized the power of the gun. Soon afterwards, the intimidation and threats to Pandits started. Though JKLF, the most prominent militant organization then, has now given up the gun in favor of diplomatic solution, they admit that before they took up the gun, They were political non-entities.
आज आप मेरे सामने बैठे हैं, जब हमने कुर्बानी दी, जब हमारा खून गिरा, जब हम 88 से पहले जेलों में होते थे, कोई चपरासी भी हमारे पास नहीं आता था, कोई पूछने नहीं आता था.
Today, they also fight for the protection of the minorities in Kashmir.
What is the problem with the government of India? There are massacres, these minority massacres. Militants are condemning, security forces are condemning, then who will them?
लेकिन शुरू में तो सिलेक्टिव किलिंग्स जो हुई वो जेकेएलएफ ने स्टार्ट की.
देखिए एक बात बताऊंगा मैं, वो तो हम ये ओन करते हैं थोड़ी सी,
मानते हैं लस्कोल
हाँ वो तो उसमें तो केस हमारे लड़के अभी भी बांधे जेल में,
और उसी वजह से कश्मीरी
हाँ,
लोग
तो,
डर के भागे
तो,
थे.
जब मूवमेंट शुरू हो जाती है किसी जगह तो ब्लंडर भी, गलतियां भी, इंसान तो फरिश्ता नहीं है, गलतियां भी होती, मगर समझने में इंसान को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है.
11 years later, they now think it was a mistake to have killed and driven out the Pandits.
The photograph of the migration of Pandits means date क्या शायद?
September number.
I still have my cousin's family in Srinagar. They are among the very few Pandits who did not leave.
As a kid, I used to love these things, curfew, hartal, and because you had a holiday from school and you used to play or enjoy or play cards and other things. But yeah, I do one thing, what was the most common dialogue of our Kashmiri Pandits those days. Say someone was killed. And शाम को सभी मोहल्ले वाले क्या हमारा सोचो है, मैं क्या करूँ? And every day used to have एक ट्रक, दो ट्रक निकलते थे.
I'm back on the street I used to walk without fear once. Rahman, the owner of the street corner shop, is perhaps the only person who may be able to confirm the fact that I belong here.
मीर साहब.
But maybe not.
Otherwise. बस ठीक.
ठीक कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ कैसे आए?
मैं घर देखने आया था.
किस घर का?
अपना घर.
Before I could reach the street corner, I was met by our next door neighbor, Mr. Mir.
नहीं पहचानेंगे तो कुछ यादें होती है ना, पुरानी, जैसे ये घर.
Mr. Mir's daughter Shaheen, who used to be so shy then, is now mother of a 10-year-old daughter. Her daughter, very unlike her mother then, is not shy at all.
आपका नाम क्या? आपने नाम बोला ही नहीं अपना.
मदिया. आपका नाम?
किस क्लास में पढ़ती हैं?
मैं फर्स्ट में बच्चा.
किस स्कूल में? किस स्कूल में पढ़ती हैं?
प्रेजेंटेशन कॉन्वेंट स्कूल.
प्रेजेंटेशन.
आपका नाम क्या है? बॉम्बे में या मुंबई में?
हम बॉम्बे में.
किन मुंबई में?
मुंबई में. हम उस घर में रहते थे जो सामने घर है ना.
किन मुंबई में? कौन सा?
जो पीछे घर है, जो टूटा हुआ घर है.
I was just happy to be with the children of my old neighborhood. For a moment, my fear vanished. I regretted being away so long. I thought about my nephew and niece who were born here, but were too small then to remember anything. Perhaps Madiha could have been my niece's best friend.
Rahman çay trozen. Roznatas be?
Mesela.
Madasmans.
Ya var ek.
Varek.
At this very street corner one cold winter morning in 1989, 6 unsuspecting Indian Air Force jawans were killed by the JKLF militants.
रहमान जी है जी, मुझे लकोड़ियो.
Çocuk lakotuyor. मगर शक्ल से ना मैंने.
अच्छा आप कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं? जी मैं.
The people in my colony were glad to see me, as were all others I had met earlier. But I am sad to say, it did not appear to me that any of them really regretted the events of those days when we were forced out. Perhaps what had happened to us was so long ago, and they had continued to suffer. I was not sure if any of my classmates from school would still be in Kashmir.
तजमुल है? मैं अजय रैना बोल रहा हूँ.
Last time I had met Tajamul was in 1985.
आपने पहचाना मुझे?
I'm trying to place you, I don't know.
बिस्को स्कूल.
हाँ
कैसे हो?
हाँ. Oh, I was trying to, my father told me I was trying to recollect. I thought it should be you. When you came, you could have given me a call earlier. You could have stayed with us.
Next time when I come, I'll stay with you.
Definitely. So can we meet? I don't know. Can we meet tomorrow? आज तो हड़ताल है ना?
आज हड़ताल है, कल बताओ. And how about Ajaz and Salim?
Ajaz is in Saudi now.
Ajaz is in Saudi.
Ajaz is in Saudi Arabia.
And Salim?
Salim is here.
Those days were great days.
My cousin passed out from the same school 10 years later. He told me about a classmate of his who was a member of a dreaded militant organization.
In my classroom, so this man came. All Pandits left. इसके अंदर आते वहाँ पे बेंच था, वो अलग सा हुआ था. I took the bench, hit on his head, and ran away from the school. Next guy came. This man is with gun in one hand and grenade in another.
स्कूल में
What are you saying? What did you do last week? And with bandage on his head. So I said, I don't care. I will shoot you. I don't know how strength came to my mind. I just holded his hand. I said, come on, shoot. What you can do. I don't know what happened to him that he got some fear that this man is not going to listen like this. And then he said, oh, you are my friend, you are my brother. First even, in fact, then he died after a month or so in an encounter in Delgate. And his obituary was read and made by me only, the school.
I was on emergency duty one day. It was a Monday. Monday was our emergency duty. We had 2 more postgraduates. Of course, there was Dr. Naveen Saraf. The scare was so much. They told me just we're going to cook food for our dinner and we'll come back. Just sit there in the casualty, take care of the casualty for half an hour. I have not seen them after that. They just pushed off.
There was a scare, particularly among doctors, because of the fact that the militants were using hospitals as hideouts.
And an army person was, CRPF person was brought to the hospital. He was quite old. All the staff of the hospital, they ran away. And he was the only person, he has operated upon that person single-handedly, and that person was like begging, please save me, I have got 4 daughters. He saved him, and next day what he had to do was that he had to leave Born and Joy, and he's now in Jammu.
You can't forget things like that.
हिंदुस्तान का बिछड़े प्रेस वक्त तो बाटन प्रेस वक्त अच्छा
1948 में लाल चौक से पंडित नेहरू ने
खुदारियत का वादा दिया किया.
Akhtar Muhyiddin is my favorite Kashmiri writer. I'd met him on my last visit to Kashmir in 1989. I'd wanted his permission for a short story which I thought could be my first feature film.
movement Champatal Nehru Bategi को हरा करके उसके खिलाफ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन होना चाहिए. महाराज स्वराज हमारा मुझे फ्रीली चला हुआ है ये खबर उस लक्ष्य में समाज में
स्वतंत्र चक्र
हां
स्वतंत्र चक्र
बता दो खोज आंसर में ना प्रमोट पानियर प्रमोट
योर गुड नेम प्लीज. देश के लिए सब कुछ अपना धर्म.
हुआ क्या था यहाँ पे? स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ?
स्टार्ट कल हैगामा में कुछ फायरिंग हो गई थी, तो वहाँ पर कुछ किलिंग्स हो गई थी. इसी सिलसिले में आज डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन हो रही है.
क्या गो? कहाँ पे? अंदर? आपको कैसे पता चला?
अंदर से भी खबर आई, सीआईडी वालों ने बताया.
I was suddenly in the middle of a riot, and that too for the first time in my life.
और र्यूमर से बड़ जबरदस्त चला इम करन इनको इस्तेमाल हुई. लिहाजा प्लीज see whether there is something, and if it is really there, take it into control.
But I was particularly struck by the casualness with which the policemen and the media were doing their job. I was the only greenhorn here, and perhaps I was treading on a thin line. I was thrown out for trying to shoot a few JKLF men from close range.
मैं वही फिल्म में शूट फिल्म
एक शख्स जावेद अहमद नाथ व नजीर अहमद नाथ साकिना गांव कदर श्रीनगर जख्मी हुआ और बाद में जख्मों की ताब न लाकर चल बसा.
फायरिंग बोलवा तू जी खोदरे जो फायरिंग दे अल्लाह ताला कुल पसंद इंशा अपार गसन कि कुल अपार की जगह.
The battles raging in Kashmir are part of a continuing war, the war between Mahatma Gandhi's secularism and the two-nation theory of Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
इंग्लैंड में हॉकी वस्तुनिष्ठ होना चाहिए. हर काम हम सेकुलर होना चाहिए. सेकुलर का मतलब धर्म निरपेक्ष नहीं होता है. सभी का सम्मान
करो, अपना दम भी निभाओ.
सभी का।
The soldier in Kashmir representing secular India is locked in a mortal combat with the jihadi from across the border.
भारत के ज़ेर इंतज़ाम रियासत कश्मीर में दारुल श्रीनगर में अनैतिक पसंदों के ग्रेनेड के हमले में एक भारतीय फौजी हलाक और 5 जख्मी हुए हैं। जैश-ए-मोहम्मद ग्रोह ने कहा है कि ये धमाका उन्होंने किया था।
The local population is, in real and symbolic terms, caught in the crossfire of history. A Kashmiri is as much confused about the unending cycles of violence in Kashmir as any ordinary Indian is.
challenge. To się patrzy.
Srinagar is a city which to all intents and purposes dies every night at 7 o'clock.
तो मैं करता रहता हूँ यहाँ पर लोगों को हंसाने के लिए। इसलिए बहुत सारे यहाँ पर फ्रेंडशिप करना मेरे साथ अच्छा समझते हैं।
Trust is the main casualty here. There are people dying on both sides, but I am, as a minority Hindu, more particularly wary of the suspicions I harbor against the local population and about my lack of trust in them. At the back of my mind, I still carry the image of a fur-clad, innocuous-looking, gun-toting Kashmiri, and I am wary of what other fears I carry within me. But in spite of my suspicions and fears, I have to walk with my people here on the road of trust to find my way back to my home. That road leads me to a village 30 kilometers from Srinagar. Fayaz and Tariq are the 2 local press photographers accompanying me.
क्योंकि मेरी ग्रैंडमदर और एक अंकल यहाँ रहते थे। वही सड़क है।
I'm back in the village of my forefathers after almost 20 years. The house where my father grew up and where my mother came to as a bride is still there in the background. The first Pandit I see is the village idiot, abandoned here by his own family.
इसका नाम क्या है?
I'm automatically led to the house of a Pandit family in the village. For a change, rather than me, it is the Pandit family which is scared of my intentions in coming here.
It's now Ajay Rana. Myun, more GM Rana.
जगन्नाथ अशोक जी का वो चाची है फिर और दूसरी बार हाथ मिलाएंगे। मकान आपका यहाँ है बड़ा 3 मंजिला वाला गांव वाले शाह मतलब के टांग बोले से लड़े ना ये खोड़े बल को तो ना बका चिते मनुष्य कभी मन खबर बजा तो बग्या शुरू नो मन पानी काम क्या था
आप कैसे रह गए पीछे? आप गए नहीं?
ये भगवान का ही कृष्मा है। कौन ठहरा कौन भागा इसमें क्या बताएंगे? बताएंगे क्या? यहां से मुसलमान भी चले गए, यहां से सिख भी चलने लगे। अब पंतों की बात ही नहीं।
जो चले गए वो किस वजह से गए?
डर भी गए और क्या।
तो क्या बट क्या जब सब चले गए क्या वजह थी?
उस वक्त सबसे बड़ी वजह ये थी कि खुफिया चारों तरफ फैली हुई थी।
तो हमने भी लिया कहीं इंटरव्यू कई लोगों से यहाँ क्यों पंडित आ गए। उन्होंने कहा भाई जो गवर्नर राज था ना उन्होंने उनको भगा दिया गवर्नर। तो ये अक्सर जो कश्मीर लोग कहते हैं।
उन्होंने कैसे भगाया?
उनको मालूम वो कैसे।
अभी डर लगता है? अभी भी
सबको डर लगता है। इसलिए नहीं ये मुसलमान यहाँ देखते हैं या सुनते हैं ये भी मुसलमान है शायद, सभी डरते हैं।
बे क्या क्या तकलीफ थी? तो कुनिज़ेन तो उस कम्युनिटी से नहीं थे क्या क्या मुश्किलात थी? मतलब से
मुश्किलात खादर शुगर सारो either we have to convert ourselves into Islam or the Muslims have to convert into Hinduism. You understand? This is the first problem in which Kashmiri Hindus are involving. ना कुदरती जब कम्युनिटी चली गई तो 2-4 घर किसी जगह फंस गए वो क्या करेंगे बेचारे.
Despite the crowds around us, he managed to convey to me a stark fact about the aftermath of Pandit migrations from Kashmir. The fact that those who have been left behind have started converting to Islam. His confession and the haunted expression on his son's face added to my own insecurity. On my way back from Kashmir, I visited the refugee camp of Kashmiri Pandits at Jammu.
Vishnu Ajay Raina. तो सिरने रोज़ तो सिरने क्या तैसे रोज़ आता है?
तो ये तो है स्वीटी है बस ना.
किम साइड है?
तो चढ़ाई तो है.
Here ये वारिया बट मकान है. अच्छा नम तो ब्रोंटो से तो पनुपान से बासन.
वो तो एक दो अमीज़ा अन्य ब्रोंट मतलब हम तो ब्रोंट से एकदम कुछ पार साइकिल्स पे. ये दम तो तुम साइकिल्स पे. अच्छा पर्वत कोर में टोक. वो तो खानी है मतलब युद्ध को में टेंशन की यूं नहीं मनो है कोई या युवा या कोई मतलब कोई युद्ध टेंशन को उस पर यत्मन गली में नहीं तुम पर नानो
क्या बट क्या जैसे तो खोसा
मतलब टेंशन उसी थी
वापस नहीं करना जवाब दे.
But the Pandits hadn't really believed that they were leaving Kashmir forever.
Gimti kazanıyor पर अगर इंसान बचा तिपन्या क्रून छिन पे अच्छी बे वापस तो सुन ससुमान छोड़ी गई फिर काहवरी गई वो आप तो गई
मुश्किल ना अच्छे वारिया कियो होना था अश्वथ हमारे के पब्लिक स्कूल ऐसे ज्यादा टीचर हब कर लेते हैं ज्योति मिश्रा से मंजू नर्सरी से लेकर मैं 8th तक पढ़ा उन्होंने मुझे पाला है मैं इतना लाल था गाल मेरे इतने लाल थे कसम से.
These are the only expressions of regret I heard in my entire journey. Shaukat, who traveled with us in Kashmir, opened up with his feelings only when he was safely outside the valley.
कश्मीर जाएगी? सही मान सही क्या हैं? निशात निमात शालमोर निमात फरवान निमात पता न दे थावत ये मान.
In spite of the fault lines which have at the moment pulled the Hindus and Muslims of Kashmir apart, the fact remains that there are very strong spiritual, cultural and historical impulses which still bind us together and to the land of a common inheritance.
महाराज महाराज मारी आयो जानो बानु मम्मा क्यों बारी की कुछ मानो तो बात पूरा माने की कुछ मानो तो मालूम से कुछ का दे जा वाले वो चीज है वाले तो ये थर्ड बार मारी ही में तो कुछ मार सब कुछ बूम सब कुछ सब
The reason I'd gone to visit my ancestral village was to meet with Rehman, our family retainer.
Yorası Ahmet Patka?
Yore ağını ka. Te motu söyle şey var yerlerde.
क्या?
Hey yuri.
चेंज कर एग्जाम में
I only had very vague impressions of him from the time when I used to know him as a child. The things he and his family told me on this visit were an eye-opener to me. I hadn't really known till then that he had been very close to our family.
जो मम चुकना था ना? क्या?
बोल खोता नहीं बोल खबर छ क्या दिल्लारो
इत क्या हालत क्या छे?
ठीक छे.
ठीक छे?
हां हालात ठीक परवाह
कुछ याद बुझ.
सब ज्यादा खोता.
ऐसा चोन नहीं छो? हाँ ये तो
Jual aja na teh.
ये वाला आजा
बोसा तो जात पर रावलपुरी
मिशन की पता
Aja.
it's Zamke में
I didn't really feel safe here with the crowd of people around us.
चाय बनने वाला बस जरूर
I promised Rahman that I would be back soon. So then I did not believe in it myself. At the time of leaving, when I asked Rahman if he had any message for my grandmother in Jammu and for my parents, he said, "Tell them, the pine tree they had planted has now grown." Yes, the pine tree has grown. This tree is one of the most positive impulses I carry back to our people from Kashmir. In the barren winterscape of Kashmir, this tree is the only green tree I see. And I remember the trees my parents had planted in our own backyard.
वैसे तो क्या जवाब है अब दोरस
ये मौसम हम साइड अब जो आई ये वो सोंगा बिना एक्सपीरियंस पाचो से यार तो अरे मेरी ख्याली किधर गई अरे मेरी ख्याली किधर गई मैं जाओ मम्मी से पूछो ख्याली को क्या बोलते हैं सजे दूंगा तो कोई बताऊंगा अचाई किसने मुझे तो ये क्या बोल दिया बार कह रहे थे क्या बोल मेरी ख्याली किधर गई तो फिर पर पहुंच आई मैं आपका इसलिए आवाज हुई बहुत मुश्किल मुसलमान पर नहीं बातें लगाने से होती पहुंचो कुछ पारा मैं लगी थी इसमें लागू से अच्छा नहीं आवाज को तो ना ऐसा को ताकि इसे अच्छा सोचे that was true decision. It's a fact.
But there is also another aspect to this fact. As a child, I remember coming here for a swim in the summer months. To a visitor unaware of the real facts, the sight of a Muslim shrine and a Hindu temple standing side by side around the spring here will seem like a perfect example of Kashmiriyat. But as far as early 1980s, I remember that there was only a temple here and a shivling.
सिडनी also है क्या हिंदू मुस्लिम टेंशन क्या है सिर्फ ऐसा मंदरस मतलब कि बे
at मंदरस मतलब वो ऐसी शन 7 वरियन से बाइकार तर की मोवाला मोशन काम है वहां आसमान गास मनो अस्तान अब्दुल के नसे चीहू लड़े डिस्प्यूट पत खोरते मो तो जंड
जियारत जनाब हजरत शेख हमदान
Kashmiri Pandits were finally forced to flee from the land by the forces of Islamic fundamentalism. The appropriation of Hindu shrines, the violence against the minorities in the call of jihad, the destruction of secular schools and other minority properties were all indicators of a choreographed aggression, not only on the minorities, but on the basic temperament of the Kashmiris. The changed face of Islam that I see in Kashmir today is a very recent phenomenon. Islam did not come to Kashmir as an invading force. The people of Kashmir were converted to Islam through gentle preachings of the Sufis, through a gradual process of assimilation into Sufism of the virtues of the Shaivite philosophy of the Rishis of Kashmir. A new and wondrously unique concept which was in tune with the simple grace and character of the Kashmiris came into being. This was called Kashmiriyat.
ये जाए क्या नाम इस जगह का नाम क्या है रहने वाली है एक मिनट यहाँ पर रोको
I walked towards the temple with the camera in my hand. The door of the temple was slightly ajar. I opened the door and went in. What confronted me was a sight I could never ever have contemplated in my waking life, even though I think of myself as a non-believer. The inner sanctum of the temple looked anything but sacred. It was only filth and ashes there. My filmmaker's instinct deserted me. I could not shoot what I saw inside. I shut the door and came away. I was really and truly mortally scared of being found out, as if it was me who had defiled the temple.
पता नहीं चलता हमको सर किसने जलाया फोर्स ने ले लिया अपने पास
अच्छा
ये मंदिर इसमें कोई नहीं आया था
What I saw desecrated before my eyes was not only a Shiv temple, but a temple of faith and harmony we all Kashmiris had built together from the time of Lal Ded and Nund Rishi. Lal Ded was a revered Shaivite woman saint of Kashmir, who in the early 14th century initiated the spiritual reform movement against dogmatism and tyranny of the then prevailing religious order here. The reform movement Lal Ded initiated later became the precursor to the Rishi movement of Kashmir. One of the leading lights of the Rishi movement in Kashmir was Nund Rishi, popularly known as Alamdar-e-Kashmir, the standard bearer of Kashmir. Char Sharif Shrine is his final resting place. The historic Char Sharif Shrine was burned down in May 1995. It was burned down by those who could benefit the most, by destroying a revered and most potent symbol of Rishi movement in Kashmir. The Rishi movement distinguishes the religious character of Kashmiris from those people in rest of India and Pakistan who practice a more orthodox variety of Islam.
Ikan's Magbacho?
Sangram Dar.
Sangram Dar.
Sangram Dar. Dünya yüzü baskındır yoğuyor olsun. Yasma vanasmaz. Emisi pat şafularımız cahilsiniz. Formul gornuk fatih bu işe mi diyor gayi bana etmez.
It's a brown building in
In the 11-year turmoil, many Sufi shrines and temples have been desecrated or destroyed in Kashmir. The destruction of Char Sharif Shrine was an ominous signal to the people of Kashmir about the destruction that was to follow and which continues still. Every morning when the city of Srinagar wakes up to another day, it seems to do so with a renewed hope for peace and prosperity. Every evening when the statistics of death are announced over the radio, Srinagar sinks back into despondency and despair.
हमारा बहुत मसले है यहाँ पर, खून खराबा हो रहा है, बहुत जुल्म हो रहा है कश्मीर में.
क्या जुल्म हो रहा है?
मारते हैं, बेगुनाह लोगों को पकड़ते हैं, मारते हैं, न वो मिल्टन होता न कुछ होता. घर से निकालते हो, बाहर सड़क पर गोली मार रहे, क्या क्रॉस फायरिंग हो गई.
It is only a rare person of my generation who still caught up in the struggle for independence. But for the kids and for the middle-aged man I met on the street, the problem that is most pressing to them is about lack of proper governance.
And nobody is coming for here.
हमें हिंदुस्तान के भाइयों के साथ कोई भी आपस में झगड़ा नहीं है, न सिखों के साथ न हिंदू के साथ.
Whether it's about independence or about electricity, their anger and helplessness convey the same urgency. Though I do not agree with them on the issue of freedom, yet it is an ideal for which thousands of Kashmiris have died already.
शहीद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद मकबूल बट यौम शहादत 11 फरवरी 1984 जिसकी जिस्त खाकी हुकूमत हिंद के पास अमानत है,
जिसको 1984 में हैंग किया गया तिहाड़ जेल में. He is our first chief, Ishfaq Majid Wani. इसको ये 90 में मार्टर हुआ।
इशफाक, मैंने तेरा रास्ता इख्तियार किया है। तो मौसम अली के हर वक्त ये ख्वाहिश थी कि वो शहीद इशफाक की तरह अपनी ज़िंदगी इस्लाम और इस्लाम की सरबुलंदी के लिए कुर्बान करे।
But the zeal and the religious fervor for that ideal is muted now.
ये तो हमारी 92 की है, जब हम अंडरग्राउंड थे।
And for the surviving old warriors, the movement they started is not in their hands anymore.
जम्मू कश्मीर में आतंकवाद के शुरुआती दौर यानी 90 के दशक के शुरू में राज्य के डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस की कमान थामने वाले वी.एस. बेदी का मानना है कि कश्मीर के आतंकवादी संगठनों की केमिस्ट्री अब काफी बदल चुकी है।
उस वक्त 10% बाहर के मर्सनरीज होते थे और 90% वहाँ के लड़के कश्मीर के, जम्मू कश्मीर, और आज बिल्कुल रिवर्स हो गया।
Kashmiris may have tired of the militancy, but they are afraid of cameras still.
क्या बात है? कश्मीर ज्यादा लोग से बना आज़ादी
नहीं, 10% आज़ादी मांगते।
जब शुरू हुआ था तो मुझे शहरी बना है, इसके आगे आज़ादी
सारे
कहते थे, तो फिर क्या हो गया?
हाँ, वो जो है ना, वो के उनने लोगों को लुटाया। हाँ, लुटाया मतलब लुटाया
मिलिटेंट लोगों ने।
हाँ, सीधे घर में घुस गए लोगों के घर में, उधर उनको पैसे मांग रहे थे, इसलिए नफरत हो गई सबको।
In the days of peace, this used to be my regular route to the college. Today, I'm afraid of passing through here.
ये पता सामान बचा कर मेरे पास वारिया लोन तिमन तस्लीफ हो तम आय तौर तमो कट रन तमो तुल और भर्ती पान अड़ो पुलिस अड़ो
The killings never stopped. Only the target of the killers changed. The movement that was for freedom and a new order broke up into splinters and warring factions. As a consequence, a new genre of killers came into being, and the people killed on both sides in large numbers were only Kashmiris.
Which man of the year?
Unidentified gunman.
हदैनाथ मांचू कश्मीरी पंडित ये ह्यूमन राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट था, इनको अनआइडेंटिफाइड गनमैन ने किल किया। डॉक्टर गुरु ही इज आल्सो किल्ड बाय unidentified gunmen.
All the political leaders who could see what is going, like Maulana Farooq, he could see, I mean, it is a destruction, he opposed it. Next Friday he was eliminated. I mean, Pakistan could not have let that chance to slip away from their hand.
Right in front of our eyes, their arms, people have died.
No, it's not the 5 January. 7 January. Eurotokan.
Kate.
या हवल पर ने परेशानी रो सारी बस टास मा गस क्या मा गस खोचने से यहाँ कश्मीर में कम से कम 500 मकबरा।
मैं पद्मश्री का अवार्ड वापस करता हूँ। अख्तर मोहिउद्दीन का ऐलान।
तो पता है कि स्टार्ट किया।
Absolutely. Absolutely not. मगर इंसान से मकबूल बटी इंसान से मगर कहीं सब नहीं पाने भर कर and I was the only person in 10 साथी अपील कर है
बाकी लोगों
क्या जुम्मन चंद का उसकी खबर है जुम्मन उसकी खबर है ऐसे सोचना पाकिस्तान को जैसे तमाम एनिमी एजेंट ये चीज़
I did not seek out career spokesmen for their views on the state of things in Kashmir. I only wanted to speak to the people on the street on their own terms.
My brother, would you allow us?
Yeah. It's a Laurus Mali.
No, I'm just shit.
It's a Laurus Mali.
1946.
Touch us, sorry, which one? 47, 48.
Complete.
Huh? Touch you yaad tamam.
क्या ड्राइनेट से
ये ड्राई
से ही
तो उसको पता कि आज़ादी के कैसी लोग क्या सुना
this feeling is
My grandfather, he had seen those, I mean, 1931 era, 1947 era, he had seen Sheikh Ubla raising voice against the Maharaja, he had seen the Kashmiris living in a pitiable condition, he had seen all these things. It was a voice for change, that's a different issue. Pakistan capitalized on it, and or we were not smart enough to do something. We used to say, Cap 47 में आप लोगों ने गद्दारी की, something we would have been a part of Pakistan, we would have been independent. उसने कहा कि I mean the time is going to come. कश्मीर में कहा होता है Jethro's Hoon, I mean जिसको the dog without this, तो या ऐसे जब वो ऐसे भागता दूसरे कुत्ते उसके पीछे भागते हैं. I mean same will happen to these militants. We will come to know after 2 years what it is going to give us destruction and nothing else. I mean I feel he was a visionary.
During the 2 weeks of our stay in Kashmir, since we were without protection, we were mostly on the run. I did not stay in one place longer than was necessary, but I was really very pleasantly surprised that I met and spoke to people who could answer me without the fear of the gun on their head, and I met some interesting people.
कैसी आमिर खान वाला?
मेरा नाम है आमिर खान.
आमिर खान सब बोलते हैं तुम्हें? असली नाम क्या है?
असली नाम है आमिर गनाई.
यहाँ पे शूटिंग हुई थी? किस फिल्म की?
मिशन कश्मीर.
अच्छी छुपने की जगह? यहाँ पे चेकिंग वेकिंग करने नहीं आते? क्या करते हैं वो?
मिलिट्री को पता है ना.
ये तेरे शुरू के सुकूत अलग हो सकते हैं.
मैं उस वक्त 5th में पढ़ता था.
क्या याद तो अंदर
पहले डरती थी.
डरते थे? फिर
जब गन देखा फिर नहीं डर रही थी.
तुमने कहीं कुछ बॉम्ब देखा है कहीं पे? हैंड ग्रेनेड ये वो
फायरिंग देखी है.
देखी है? कहाँ पे?
उतरी नवा के दल में.
वहाँ पे क्या हुआ था?
वहाँ पर फौज पर हमला हो गया था.
फौज का इतिहास? फौज
वो बैंकर में थे. मिलिटेंट्स आ गए और सीधे हमला किया.
कैसे हमला किया?
ऐसे ही बंदूकों से.
तुमको कैसे लगा?
मुझे मैं भागता रहा.
सब भाग गए वहाँ से? मगर खुशी होती है ना कि मिलिटेंट नहीं होती है खुशी.
किसी सबका अपना जान प्यार है कि नहीं?
और तुम्हारी चाहत क्या है कश्मीर के आज़ादी? वैसे
कुछ भी हो जाए, लेकिन
वैसे मन से क्या चाहते हो? दिल से क्या चाहते हो?
मन से तो हम चाहते हैं इंडिया ही रहे.
इंडिया रहे? क्यों?
क्योंकि इंडिया जो है वो फ्रैंक मुल्क है. इसमें कोई किसी किस्म की पाबंदी नहीं है.
पुलिस डेड बॉडी मीन्स तुम कल कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट
करा ये हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान कश्मीर है ये मूल गड़ तिमन दिलचस्पी तम कानूनी मौसूल यस कानूनस मज बेइंसाफी यस कानूनस मज ह्यूमन टच सह गो.
I asked myself only one question. If instead of a Kashmiri Hindu, I was a Muslim, what would I be thinking about and doing? ये सोच तो एक्सप्रेस जो करा, so ऐसा different. So क्या?
अच्छा बोलो तो. ये अथवा stream of consciousness. ये जो percolate करता है. From above.
We were told the other day. See, it was just a matter of chance you were born in a Hindu family, and a matter of chance I was born in a Muslim family.
We were told India is a country.
इसको देखिए तो वही छोड़ साथ.
रैशनैलिटी है कि
क्या ठीक नहीं जरूरी है कि अगर रैशनैलिटी जैसे अल्लाह ये बना तो उस मिसाल खतर उसने मोहन तो सोक्रेट्स तो मैं सोन पर तेल इस दम क्या है तो इस पर पक्का इंसान का तो नो एक्सपेरिमेंट.
See, finally, what do you want? You want to go out in the morning, go to your job, do a good job in the day, make some money, come back in the evening, sit with your family, have your dinner, go to sleep, your children go to school the next day.
That is peace.
That's what everybody is longing for, actually. What more do you want there? What more do you want? Yes, you have to be religious, you have to pray or whatever. You can do that. Fine, who stops you from doing that?
Have you become more religious?
Well, I think there's a general awakening among people, among the youngsters especially. I think they're they're a little more religious.
I was emotionally overwhelmed by the sight of people singing and crying in the dargah. At first I naively assumed that they might be drawing the attention of the entire world through my camera to express their desire for peace. Later I realized that Kashmiri people normally do sing and cry at the dargahs to wish for the most ardent prayers to be answered. This is a tradition very unique to Kashmir, as is the practice of simultaneous announcement of azan over loudspeakers all across the valley. And I do remember that in January 1990, these simultaneous midnight azan announcements, followed by frenzied calls to all Kashmiris to rise and revolt against India, had echoed all across the city. It is 11 years since then, and much water and blood has flown down the Jhelum. The growing feeling here is not for revolt, but for peace.
We all wish and we all hope that there's going to be a day when we can relax, sit back in our chairs, without any fear and without any disruption.
After the visit to the dargah, I was on my way to a much revered Hindu shrine nearby when my plans were disrupted.
ये हो रही है ना टक
गाड़ी रोक और हम निकल लेंगे उल्टी करके लगाओ
चलो वापस चलो
कोई बात नहीं कोई बात
ऐसे रिवर्स
रिवर्स करो ना
गाड़ी
हम एक शॉट लेते हैं बाहर उधर के बैठ जाएंगे
नहीं में शॉट मत ले दो गोली का कुछ भरोसा नहीं होता है
But disruption is too mild a word to use for a situation such as this, when people continue to die.
लड़कों ने मो रेटेड तो वह मुआरी मो पत कोरी मो कार्ड है इसमें अच्छी मना पता है एनकाउंटर्स में सब मोड़ लड़के ठीक है वो ना तेम नाफरन की
कल शाम 6 बजे पुलिस और बीएसएफ ने पोखरी बलहारी पर्वत में मिलिटेंटों की एक पनाहगाह पर धावा बोला। मिलिटेंटों ने एक हथगोला फेंका। जवाबी कार्रवाई में एक मिलिटेंट खलील अहमद इकबाल उर्फ अबू हमजा मारा गया। यह मिलिटेंट पाकिस्तानी मकबूजा कश्मीर का रहने वाला था और हरकतुल मुजाहिदीन से वाबस्ता था। इस वाक़े में एक सिपाही संदीप और बीएसएफ के 2 एहलकार जख्मी हो गए।
What is left of the movement now is a humble and silent people, numbed by fear, loss of livelihood and constant disruptions in their lives. There isn't much mirth and laughter around. I sense there are people caught on the back of a tiger. They do not know how to dismount. They are caught in a web of events they can't control. They want to get rid of the people with the guns, but do not know what to do about them. And they are the citizens of a country afraid of their own security forces.
Designation business. Identity mark, mole on the face.
अच्छा, इस कार्ड की क्या वैल्यू? अभी अगर हम कहीं जाएंगे तो अगर ये जो सिक्योरिटी है यहाँ वो पकड़ेगी तो वो पहले पूछती है कार्ड कहाँ है।
और जब सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस कुछ करते हैं तो क्या होता है?
मगर वो तो जबरदस्ती मत जलाते हैं, वो तो मजबूरी उनकी है, उनकी ड्यूटी है वो।
क्या ड्यूटी?
मतलब जब ग्रेनेड हुआ तो उनको तो करना पड़ता है।
लेकिन बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस रेप करते हैं, गाने जलाते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो सही है?
गांव में होगा मगर यहाँ नहीं होगा।
सिटी में नहीं है, गांव में होता है।
गांव में देखा नहीं है।
Kashmir has bred on a staple diet of fear and violence for far too long now. Death has ceased to have any meaning or validity as a weapon of desperate measures. When death becomes meaningless, fear ceases. The gun becomes a toy.
यही कोच की फर्ज द्राय अमी कोच की और गच्छ पार्टी फर्ज दिखी लोग वजन वहां त्रोमल पान लिखना पूजी अफसर गए खोचान डरो मत बेटा डरो मत और जरूर अब दरान थी पूजी को देखता तोता ध्यान देता
What I'm worried about is my children. So if they want to go and buy something in Delhi, they'll ask for a gun. They'll buy a gun. Believe me, they'll ask for a gun because they have got so much used to this culture kind of a thing.
The pioneers of the gun culture in Kashmir are also talking about peace now.
आपको लगता है कि लंबा प्रोसेस होगा?
हम इंडिया पाकिस्तान से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं फॉर द सेक ऑफ गॉड, क्योंकि हम भी इंसान हैं, हम उनसे यही अपील करते हैं कि कश्मीर प्रॉब्लम को हमेशा हमेशा के लिए सॉल्व करो, उसमें हम उनका भरपूर सपोर्ट देंगे।
A Kashmiri knows what he does not want, but he still does not know what he wants. Those who distributed anti-India flags in 1947 are now with India. Those who were with India then are now against India.
अच्छा, कोशिश लगने के तो क्या कश्मीर पेपर करो? रिएक्ट था भाई? हाँ? बे?
बस बे क्या थी तो बात थी।
नेशनल क्वेश्चन नस? अच्छा?
कोशिश ना।
जोशी का बटवट यार।
आशा से वहाँ बटमास्टर ट्यूशन।
कार।
तनज़ तहरीक 90s में 90 बोन।
बोझमुझ क्या है बटन?
बोझमुझ में वारिया ऐसी।
वारिया। तुम पत क्या बोलते हो?
मीन्स ये हालात तेल तुम हालात की खराब पत सही तुम।
क्या से?
मतलब तुम जो तुम्हें पता है शायद रोज़ के इसमें बोझमुझ।
क्यों आते तुम?
मिल्टन हो या?
ये क्या बोलने से?
यूं बोझमुझ इतना कहीं आम करण का।
लोकशा पार में करा है एक बार। कि नया रोज़ में देता हूँ। ये मुहर पर कमाओ सूचना बना।
सूचना है मिल्टन हो। मेशोन में डैडी क्या इसकी डैडी इसमें वना इसका
डैडी क्या होना है?
दोनों इसका नहीं तो मिल्टन हो
चल रहा है। तो जो बाज़ में बटन वापस चीज़ बाज़ है कि चीज़ डैडी से बाज़ है?
अगर हालात ठीक है वापस ही
क्या
इसकी तुम्हारी चाहत वाप कश्मीर
Kashmiris today are living multiple and confused identities at the same time. An average Kashmiri is still very secular in his outlook as an individual, but his collective identity is a Muslim identity. He blames India for the betrayal, real and perceived, of the past 50 years, yet he is not completely alienated from India. It is only on the last day of my stay in Kashmir that I could muster enough courage to visit my home in Srinagar. But this is not a true homecoming by any stretch of imagination. True homecoming will be when I can stay here forever, when I will feel safe here and feel free as I feel in any part of the world. That prospect does not seem any closer now than it was when we had to leave.
Anjali.
What happened in Kashmir in 1990 was a traumatic replay of the tragic events of 1947. The problem of Kashmir and the divide between the Hindus and Muslims of Kashmir is a tragic outcome of the hate and enmity between the two countries, which came into being as a consequence of partition. Before we can try to seek a solution to Kashmir, we have to exorcise the ghosts of our past. We have to confront the trauma of 1947 head on.
İkimiz bu tremes? Blast का तो सुकून
We have to make an honest effort to understand the reasons that led to the partition of India and the effect of the events of partition on the collective psyche of all of us.
This used to be my room. You said no saman sukot go.
Only then will we find a solution that satisfies us all. Only then will we realize that Kashmir is the solution to the problem of India and Pakistan. Only then will we realize that Kashmir is the bridge of rapprochement between two estranged brother nations. That is the only solution we can have when and if we decide to give up the ghosts of our past. When my parents built this house, they had also planted saplings of various fruit trees along the boundaries of its compound. They had hoped that sometime in future, our children, grandchildren, and we all would reap its fruit. After all these years, I didn't expect to find any fruit though, but I had at least hoped that the saplings would have grown into trees. But even the trees have been uprooted and taken away. What lives here now is only our memories of days when we were all so proudly human.